Hello, friends. Welcome once again to Desi Exploring Europe. ऑटोसार वोल्सबर्ग में दो टावर्स हैं 48 मीटर्स ऊंचे जो नई कार के सेल और स्टोरेज के लिए बनाए गए हैं। एक टावर में 400 कार्स जो कि 20 मंजिल तक स्टोर्ड है। कार का मूवमेंट होता है रोबोटिक लिफ्ट सिस्टम से that operates efficiently and precisely. These towers not only serve a practical function in managing the vehicle inventory, but also act as a striking visual and technological centerpiece at this theme park and car museum. The parking towers at Autostrad holds the record in the Guinness Book of World Records for being the world's fastest automated parking system. फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं एक रोटेटिंग टनल। Hey Godu.
This fourth tunnel is rotating. And it's also
These dynamic floral sculptures create a visually captivating experience through the tunnel. This is definitely enhancing the beauty of this theme park. दोस्तों, वीडियो लाइक करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना और आपका कोई सवाल है या आप कुछ बताना चाहते हैं तो कमेंट भी ज़रूर करना। Cycling.
which one do you want to do, Mama? You check. Okay, this.
Good job, Godu. Godu, you are making the colors. Godu and Papa are doing the go-karting.
Yes.
अब हम देख रहे हैं Volkswagen म्यूजियम और यहाँ है पुरानी पर बेहद खूबसूरत गाड़ियाँ। These vintage cars provide the idea and history of automotive car design and the innovation. Here, it's not about Volkswagen heritage, but also for the celebration and revolution of the complete automotive industry. Museum features the cars from the variety of brands within the Volkswagen group. That includes Volkswagen, Audi, Porsche, Bentley, Bugatti, Lamborghini, Seat and Skoda.
She said to me, go steady on me. Won't you tell me what the wise men said when they came down from heaven? Smoked 9 till 7, all the shit that they could find. But they couldn't escape from you, couldn't be free of you. And now they know there's no way out. And they're really sorry now, but one day time you don't know it's time around. I can't believe we're getting up. We only need the two of us. I feel your pain from my mistakes. Is how और अब हम आए हैं सिम मोबिलिटी वर्चुअल रेसिंग में,
जहां आप एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं रेसिंग, जिसे एडवांस ड्राइविंग सिमुलेटर से बनाया गया है।
Wow, it's so much fun. No, don't crash.
If you are here, then do plan for this competitive and thrilling experience. दोस्तों, अब हम देखेंगे कुछ मॉडल्स और एक्सपेरिमेंट्स जो कि ऑटोमोटिव और मोबिलिटी का एक इंटरैक्टिव और फ्यूचरिस्टिक डेटा देते हैं।
This part of the.
Are you trying to find your country? Here it shows some controls for the car.
You can control.
Traffic density, driving behavior.
Come, let's. So,
Here there is some data on emissions, Godu.
and let's see now. Where is that guy?
See, different vehicles are navigating and how do they collect information, how do they connect with each other.
Oh yeah.
See, the car is navigating, plus it is able to read what is there around it. The life cycle of a car. The lifespan of each car can be made environmentally friendly. Research and development first, then production, then product and use. So you have your own car, you are able to use it. Lifespan of a car, 8.4 years lifespan in years average in Germany, 2 lakh kilometers. Recycling.
I'm gonna show you now something else. Come over here, guys.
So in the recycling, they are separating sand, lint, granulate. Sand for glass, lint for textiles, granulate for plastics.
Just put your finger in the. Oh, again it
Oh, what was that? Can you explain, guys?
This is just a water something, and
some cycle it seems. If we don't interrupt in between, it will go on. But once it is interrupt, it will stop.
What is it, Godu?
this is just something. I don't know what it is. Come, let's put that. Okay. So where is
Ian, das ist El Nino, related to rainfall. If it rains more, if it rains less.
एक छोटे बेबी पण मला वाटते ते मम्मा पप्पा आहे
आशा करते हैं दोस्तों आपने भी खूब एंजॉय किया ऑटो स्टार्ट पार्ट 1 वीडियो, और बाकी और अन्य वीडियो भी हमारे ज़रूर देखना। थैंक यू दोस्तों।